In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare mortgage rates on NerdWallet. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to nerdwallet.com/mortgages. This page is designed to help you explore mortgage options in one place, so it's a useful starting point if you want a quick snapshot of current lending offers. Once the page loads, take a moment to look over the layout so you can easily spot the main tools and prompts. From there, click the Compare Rates button if it appears on the page. In some cases, you may instead see a field asking for your zip code right away. If that happens, simply enter your zip code to continue. This location detail matters because mortgage rates and lender availability can vary depending on where the property is located. Make sure you type the zip code carefully so the results are as accurate as possible. Next, enter your home purchase price, your down payment amount, and your credit score range. These details help generate more personalized mortgage quotes. The home purchase price tells the tool what kind of loan amount you may need, while the down payment affects how much you're borrowing and can influence your rate options. Your credit score range is also important since lenders often use it to estimate risk and determine what rates you may qualify for. As you fill out each field, try to use realistic numbers based on your current situation. Even though this is a comparison tool and not a final loan application, the quality of your results depends on the accuracy of the information you enter. If you're unsure about your exact credit score, choosing the closest range can still give you a helpful estimate. After submitting your information, you'll be able to view custom mortgage rate quotes from top lenders. This is where you can start comparing options side by side. Pay attention not only to the interest rate, but also to the overall loan details shown in the results. Taking a little extra time here can help you better understand which offers may be the best fit for your budget and financial goals. That's all it takes to compare mortgage rates on NerdWallet. Follow the prompts carefully, review your quotes closely, and use the information as a helpful guide while researching your next home loan.